If you are planning to visit here in Canada and gusto nyong kumuha ng tourist visa, these are the documents you needed to prepare in applying for tourist visa. Disclaimer, this is just based on my own personal experience and pwede pong maiba depende sa sitwasyon nyo. Sa mga nagtatanong po if nag-agency ba ako, yes, nagpa-help po ako through VNY Travel and Tours. Just a quick background, last 2021, nag-apply po ako for a student visa kaso na-deny ako kaya medyo overthinker na ang ate nyo. Pero I still decided to push it through and sa awa naman ng ama, na-approve naman tayo. Yung tita ko po yung nag-invite sa akin dito para maging abay ng pinsan ko na ikakasal. And ito po yung mga documents na sinubmit niya. Invitation letter, latest T4 or yung tax nila, passport copy, PR card, birth certificate, and bank statement. For me naman na applicant, these are the documents I submitted. Cover letter, travel itinerary, bank statement and bank certificate, COE or certificate of employment, payslip, leave of absence approval, birth certificate, passport, and you can also add assets under your name. Mabilis nga lang yung processing time nila nung nag-apply ako, wala pang 3 weeks na approve agad. I hope this helps and I'm rooting also for your approval. Thank you guys for watching. Follow us for more travel videos. Bye!